Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel GAMAARZ. Today, we have an exciting product review for you. Elevate your bathroom experience with the modern LED light mirror vanity. Set in the realm of contemporary bathroom design, the modern LED light mirror bathroom vanity set with Korean basin stands out as a testament to both functionality and style. This 800mm wall-mounted design not only maximizes space but also introduces cutting-edge features to enhance your daily grooming routine. In this review, we'll explore the key aspects of this vanity set, shedding light on its design, functionality, and overall performance. The 800mm wall-mounted design of this vanity set exudes modernity, instantly transforming your bathroom into a stylish haven. The sleek lines and minimalist silhouette contribute to a clean and sophisticated look, making it an ideal addition to contemporary bathroom spaces. The wall-mounted feature not only saves precious floor space but also creates an illusion of a more spacious environment, perfect for smaller bathrooms. The LED light mirror serves as the focal point of the design, providing ample illumination for your grooming needs. The soft, ambient lighting not only enhances visibility but also adds a touch of elegance to the overall aesthetic. The mirror itself is crafted with precision, offering a distortion-free reflection for a true-to-life image. One of the standout features of this vanity set is the inclusion of a Korean basin. Korean, known for its durability and resistance to stains, makes for an excellent choice in a bathroom setting. The basin seamlessly integrates with the vanity, creating a cohesive and easy-to-clean surface. The LED lighting, strategically placed around the mirror, serves a dual purpose. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the lighting provides functional illumination for your grooming routine. The color temperature is carefully calibrated to mimic natural daylight, ensuring accurate color representation for tasks such as makeup application or shaving. Installing the modern LED light mirror bathroom vanity set is a straightforward process thanks to the wall-mounted design. The set includes all necessary hardware, and the step-by-step instructions make it accessible for both DIY enthusiasts and professional installers. The quality of the materials used in construction is evident, with a sturdy build that promises long-term durability. The Korean basin, in particular, showcases excellent craftsmanship, with a smooth and non-porous surface that resists the growth of bacteria and is easy to maintain. The LED lighting is energy efficient and designed to last, minimizing the need for frequent replacements. Customers who have invested in this modern LED light mirror bathroom vanity set praise its combination of form and function. Many appreciate the space-saving design, noting that it's particularly advantageous in smaller bathrooms. The LED lighting receives widespread acclaim for its brightness and color accuracy. Users also highlight the durability of the Korean basin, emphasizing its resistance to stains and ease of cleaning. The modern LED light mirror bathroom vanity set with Korean basin, 800mm wall-mounted design is a stellar addition to the realm of contemporary bathroom fixtures. Its sleek design, efficient LED lighting, and durable Korean basin make it a standout choice for those seeking a balance of style and functionality. Elevate your bathroom experience with this modern vanity set that seamlessly combines aesthetics with practicality.